Welcome to the Blue Mouse Knits. Today I'm going to teach you how to work a knit two together through the back loop. This is very similar to a normal knit two together, but instead of knitting together through the front loop like this, you knit two together through the back loop like that. You have a front leg and a back leg of every stitch on your needle. Normal knitting goes through the front loop, but we're going to go through the back loop of two stitches at the same time. I find it's easier to kind of look from the top down. So here's my next two stitches on my left hand needle. So I'm going to take my right hand needle and go into the back loops of two stitches at the same time and then work them together. So into the back loop of the first stitch and then into the back loop of the second stitch. It should look like this. And then you yarn over from front to back, pull that loop through both of them like you would any other stitch, and then slide those two stitches off your left hand needle. Should look like that. I'll show you one more time. So instead of a normal knit two together, which leans to the right, a knit two together through the back loop leans to the left. Again, these are the back loops of our stitch. So into the back loop of the first one, into the back loop of the second one. They should both be on your right hand needle too. And then yarn over from front to back, pull a loop through both of them like this. Slide those two off your left hand needle and you can pull on the working yarn to kind of tighten them up. And that's it. That's how you work a knit two together through the back loop. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tutorials.